Where are you?
Making a movie?
No.
Yeah, you are.
I'm gonna take a picture, make a better face. No, a different one. No, a different one. No! Something else.
Like what?
I don't know, whatever you want, but nothing sucky.
Like this?
Alright, hold it. Hold it.
Hold on, watch the picture. Bree, go back and take a picture.
You should have seen this video that Mike took. Like, he's taking a video of this guy. He's like, chill. I think it was Reggie. He was like, take a picture. And he posed like this. He's like this. And he was just sitting there taking a movie like this.
He was waiting for the flash?
He's like, chill, take it.
He's waiting for the flash?
Yeah.
Stop posing, Steven.
Look like this. Do it real quick. How do you do the chipmunk face?
That was a walnut face. I made a cashew face.
How do you do it? Hold on.
I'm gonna have to be like that. Paparazzi. It was your armpit. Read it. Spinning it around for no reason.
It's like that 70s show. Full circle.
That 70s show?
We gotta have like a monologue to go with it. Boy, what's your monologue? You have to say something. Chill, take it. Take it. Come on, take it. Take a picture.
Wait. Cut her head off. Make a video of yourself, like. That's creepy. You look like Loading Girl 15.